Hey, hi everybody. It's Gretchen here with a quick little unboxing. So I got the new iPhone Pro Max 13. iPhone 13 Pro Max, right. Bigger phone than what I had. I had a 10 and the standard size. And if you know anything about me, you know that I had a case that had everything inside it. It had a spot for my driver's license, a couple cards, a spot to stick a couple bills. I just kept everything there, so I didn't have to carry a lot of other stuff. This 13 is much bigger phone, but better on the eyesight, and I can type a little easier. So I have to figure out a way to handle it and still be able to make it easy. So I made a choice, found a crossbody type case that also doesn't have to come off to charge. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, here we go. All right, here it is. ZVE original and handmade iPhone 13 Pro Max wallet. Dark green, made in China, original and handmade. We'll see how it had. It had some pretty good reviews, but there were very few that had the ability to keep the phone in there while it was charging on one of the magnetic things and still have the kind of things that I wanted and not be like a full out wallet fold over. So it's kind of pretty cool. Nice package, nice carefully packaged kind of velour type bag. Crossbody strap and a wrist strap, so I get dual. Here's the wrist strap. This aside, you can see that. And there's the crossbody. Let's see how long it is, because that will probably be a little bit of importance. Because I'm tall, I am 5'11", so it has to fit well. The crossbody strap. Yes, everybody has a big yardstick right next to their desk. From the leather to leather, it is, there's 46 inches. Yeah, 45. And that is before, they've got it, it can actually go extended probably another good 5-7 inches. It's got an extension part right there, like a little belt. So you just unhook it and get it to the right size. I'll work on the adjustments of that at another time. So, so here we go. Here's the phone. Here's that case, all kind of stuff. So here's the case. Now, why did I choose it? Chose it for this. It has the RDIF blocker in it, so my cards don't get read. It has a spot that it can kind of actually expand a little bit put it in wider. And there, so you could slip a $1 bill in there or $5, some cash in there if you wanted to. That is the spot for the reader, for the magnet. So that holds that part magnetized closed. So this is zipped close. So it's enough for me for what I need. I can hold at least. It says just 4 cards, but I can slip 2 cards into each one of those. I can also get my driver's license, everything in there. I keep stuff in a kind of a little packet, so that'll be good. And then this part zips. And it will hook there and there. So those are the only two spots that it hooks on the end. I was hoping that it kind of, we'll see. Now, how does it fit? Slides in real. There we go. It's in. That looks good. That works. How's it do? If I go to the phone, and let me show you. There's no blockage back here of the actual camera. It feels pretty good in my hand too. It's not any bigger thick-wise than the other one was. And so then the straps will hook on the end here. So that I can cross body if I want to, or put it over my shoulder. And since I will be traveling with this, I want to be able to cross body underneath my jacket and stuff. So that's that. It's by ZVE. It is a, just a sec. So there it is on Amazon. It's a iPhone 13 Pro Max wallet case, MagSafe magnetic phone case. I got it on Prime Days. I did not have to pay $42. Yay! So I'm pretty pleased with it so far. I got the dark green, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, I'm pleased. I like to have my phone in a case. Not everybody does, but I do because I keep other things in, and it replaces a wallet for me, and it replaces a purse basically. So that's about all I need. That just was a quick opening of my new phone case. Yay! All right, until next time, everybody, keep looking for the beauty hidden in plain sight. It's all around you. Until next time, take care.